In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make videos using only PowerPoint. That's right, you don't need expensive video editing software, complicated tools, or any advanced technical skills. If you already have Microsoft PowerPoint, you already have everything you need to create professional video lessons, tutorials, presentations, or even YouTube content. I'll walk you step by step through recording your slides and exporting them as a video file that you can upload anywhere. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can either create a brand new presentation or open an existing one that you want to turn into a video. Before recording, make sure your slides are finalized, including animations, transitions, images, and any on-screen text. Everything that appears during your slideshow can be captured in the recording. Once your presentation is ready, look at the top of the screen and click on the Recording tab in the ribbon menu. If you don't immediately see it, make sure your PowerPoint is updated to a recent version of Microsoft 365, because the recording tools are built directly into newer versions. Inside the Recording tab, click on Record Slideshow. As soon as you click this, PowerPoint will switch to the Record Slideshow view. This is your recording studio inside PowerPoint. You'll see your slide in the center, recording controls, a timer, and options for microphone and camera input. Before you begin, check that your microphone is properly selected and working. You can quickly test this by speaking and watching the audio level indicator move. If you'd like to include your webcam in the presentation, you can also enable your camera here, but that's completely optional. Now you're ready to start recording. Click the red record button and begin presenting just like you normally would. Speak clearly into your microphone and navigate through your slides using your mouse or keyboard arrow keys. If you have animations on a slide, trigger them as you explain your points. PowerPoint records your voice, slide timings, and on-screen movements. Take your time and present naturally. If you make a mistake on a specific slide, you can re-record just that slide instead of starting over completely. This makes the process much easier compared to traditional video editing software. Once you finish presenting your final slide, click the Stop button. Then close the recording view to return to the normal PowerPoint ending screen. At this point, your presentation now contains recorded narration and timings embedded inside each slide. Now let's export your presentation as an actual video file. Go back to the Recording tab in the ribbon. Look for the option that says Export to Video and click on it. This tells PowerPoint that you want to convert your recorded presentation into a video format. Next, click on Create Video. PowerPoint may give you options for video quality. In most cases, Full HD 1080p is a great choice for YouTube or online sharing because it gives you high quality without creating extremely large file sizes. After clicking Create Video, choose the location on your computer where you want to save the file. Give your video a clear file name so you can easily find it later, then click Save. PowerPoint will now begin generating your video file. Depending on the length of your presentation and the number of animations, this process may take a few minutes. You can see the export progress at the bottom of the PowerPoint window. Once it finishes, you'll have a fully playable MP4 video file ready to upload, share, or edit further if needed. And that's it. You successfully created a video using only PowerPoint, no extra software required. This method is perfect for educational content, business presentations, online courses, and YouTube tutorials. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.